Welcome to the deep dive. So, today we're jumping into something that came up from one of you, actually.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, someone going through some reading notes about health got curious about protein, waste products, and how it all connects to kidney health.
Right. That's a really core bodily process.
hmm
It's great when simple curiosity leads to digging into our biology like this.
Totally. So, our aim here is just to get a good, clear handle on how protein gets processed, what that means for the kidneys, things like urea, creatinine,
Mhm.
but, without getting totally lost in the weeds.
Exactly. Keep
Yeah.
it understandable.
Okay, so first off, the notes mention something interesting. Protein itself isn't the direct cause of high blood pressure, blood sugar, or blood lipids, the three highs.
Yeah, that can be a bit surprising. Protein's essential, obviously.
Right.
But, and this is the key thing, the source of the protein really matters.
Mm.
If you're eating lots of protein from, say, certain meats packed with saturated fat and cholesterol,
Mm.
that can definitely affect your blood lipids negatively.
Mm.
But it's more about the fat and cholesterol tagging along, not purely the protein itself causing those highs.
Okay, that makes sense. It's about the whole package, not just the protein molecule.
Precisely.
So then the notes pivot to why doctors sometimes tell people with high uric acid or maybe existing kidney problems to ease up on protein. What's going on there?
Okay, yeah, this is the main event, really. It comes down to how we handle protein once we eat it, or even when our body breaks down its own tissues.
It all gets broken down into amino acids.
Exactly, the basic building blocks. Now, if we have more amino acids than we need right away, our body metabolizes the extra ones.
Okay.
And a really critical part of that is removing the nitrogen from those amino acids. This nitrogen first turns into ammonia.
Ammonia, isn't that like
It's
toxic?
It is, yeah, it's toxic stuff. So
Yeah.
the body needs a quick fix.
And that's the liver's job.
You got it.
Yeah.
The liver is like the detox center. It grabs that ammonia and converts it into something much less harmful called urea.
Ah, okay. So ammonia becomes urea, safer. Then what happens to the urea?
Well, the urea then gets into your bloodstream and travels to your kidneys.
The filters.
The filters, exactly. The kidneys are amazing at filtering waste out of the blood, and urea is a major one they handle. The notes also mention creatinine, that's another nitrogen waste product, mostly for muscle metabolism, that the kidneys also filter out.
So both urea and creatinine are sort of nitrogen leftovers from protein and body processes that the kidneys need to clear out.
That's a good way to put it. Now, here's the crucial link to kidney health. If someone's kidneys aren't working at full capacity, maybe they're damaged or diseased,
Yeah.
processing a large amount of this urea and creatinine puts extra strain on them. Think of it like pushing too much stuff through a filter that's already a bit clogged up. It just
Right.
makes its job harder.
Ah, okay, I see it now. That's the aha moment, right? Reducing protein intake means less urea and creatinine get produced,
Exactly.
which means less work for kidneys that are already struggling. It lightens the load.
Precisely. It directly reduces the burden on those compromised kidneys. It's quite a direct metabolic connection. And, the amount of protein restriction needed can vary a lot depending on the person's specific kidney situation.
That makes total sense. It's not just a blanket rule.
Right.
Okay, so let's wrap this up for you. Protein is absolutely vital. We need it. But breaking it down creates these nitrogen waste products, mainly urea and creatinine.
Yep, and your kidneys are designed to filter that waste out efficiently.
But if your kidneys aren't in top shape, a really high protein diet can overload the system, creating extra strain. Managing protein intake becomes important then.
It does. So here's something to maybe chew on. Think about your own diet. It's easy to focus on the obvious protein sources like meat or beans,
Sure.
but what about the less obvious ones? How might other foods, maybe even snacks or processed items, be contributing to the overall load of these waste products your kidneys have to handle? It's worth considering the whole picture.